Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. If we look carefully, we can see that this line in here is bigger than this one and this one. That means this fraction divided by this fraction. So this line here is bigger than two lines. That means this one divided by this one. So in this situation, we can write like this. So we can swap this one, go to numerator, and that should be about s plus number 4 over s plus number 3. Next, we need to multiply both of them. And now we need to expand this one and this one. So number 4 we can put into number 6 plus number minus number 2. So this one divided by this one, so we have number 1. So this one, that is about this one. So number 2, I will put this one cone here. Number 1, that is about number 3 minus number 2. So we need to add about s. That means we need to minus about s. So we can do about factorization by negative number 1. So this one divided by this one and this one divided by this one. So we have like this. So the integration of number 1, that is about s. This one we have number 2 ln of the absolute value of s plus number 2. So negative number 2 with negative, so we have positive number 2. And now we can put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 gone here. Number 0 gone here. So we simplify this one. We have number 1 minus number 2 f and number 3. Positive number 2 f and number 4. This one we have f and number 2. This one we have f and number 3. So we know that negative we have positive, and this one we have negative. Now negative number 2, negative number 2, we have negative number 4. This one we have number 2 to the power of 2. So in this situation, we can put number 2 go inside here, this one go in here, and number 4 go in here, because we have the formula. So we have like this. Next, for this one, we have 81. This one, we have 16. This one, we have number 4. So, we have the second formula in here. So for this one, we can put like this. (16) multiplied by number 4, we have 64. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question.